Add a black image from stock videos. Duration 5.7 seconds. Add audio. Match cut, beat 2. Delete the first beat. Add a beat mark in the middle of these beat marks 3 times. Type flicker warning, but it's totally optional. Apply animation, flicker. Add a white image as overlay. Split on every beat mark. Now apply fade out animation. It should look like this. Now add 11 video clips of your idol. Tap speed, curve, flashing. Follow the screen for duration. Select the clip and apply animation swing bottom. Now apply white flash effect. Splice, overlay 70. Animation, fade out. Now copy it and put it on the beginning of every video clip. Click on Effects and add Slanted Blur Effect. Blur 100, rotate 50. Copy it and put it under the first effect. Trim a bit. Now repeat the same with other clips as well. Apply pull-out transition for the first video clip. For the fade-out effect, tap on stickers and add a black image. Animation. Fade in. Now apply flicker effect to make the edit more attractive. You'll find a detailed tutorial on the description box below. And that's it. Your edit is ready to export.